Hi everyone, I'm Damon McCool, Public Programming Specialist at Eastern State Penitentiary. Welcome back to Prisons and the Pandemic, where we examine the ways COVID-19 is impacting the lives of incarcerated people, corrections staff, administrators, and other stakeholders within the criminal justice system. There are currently 70,571 confirmed cases of incarcerated people with COVID-19. In total, 683 incarcerated people have died from the virus. Cases among staff now total 17,772, and staff deaths now total 53. Let's take a look at one headline making news this week. Officials in Malheur County, Oregon, say that the Snake River Correctional Institution now accounts for 1/3 of all COVID-19 cases in the county. The largest prison in Oregon, Snake River Correctional Institution, houses over 3,000 people, and so far, 120 have tested positive for the virus. Over 20 staff members have also reported positive results. With 435 total cases in the county, the prison accounts for a sizable and growing number of COVID-19 cases. Damon, Executive Director of the Oregon Justice Resource Center, called on officials to recognize the connection between outbreaks in prison and the spread within the community, saying that COVID-19 will not stay in prisons but will, quote, boomerang back into the community as the state is trying to desperately flatten the curve. In May, a judge struck down a lawsuit filed by the Oregon Justice Resource Center against the Department of Corrections and the governor of the state over the handling of the crisis in prisons. Snake River Correctional Institution is only the most recent Oregon prison to be scrutinized for growing numbers of COVID-19 patients. Earlier this spring, the Oregon State Penitentiary reported 141 cases among prisoners and 36 cases among staff. It's unclear if Oregon is testing all people or only those showing symptoms of the virus. Are there ways that the public and prisons and jails can work together to slow the spread of COVID-19? Or do prisons and communities have to address the crisis separately? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We look forward to your questions and your thoughts. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next week on Prisons and the Pandemic.